Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm actually going to be unboxing my new keyboard and doing a desk makeover. So let's get started. So this keyboard is from Amazon. They had many great ones, but this one was the first one to catch my eye. It is in my favorite color, purple, and has the design of a beautiful cat. This is the Keyboard Companion 303. Now let's focus on the unboxing, and I'll tell my reviews later on in the video. Time for the grand reveal. Oh my god, it is so cute. It has many different variations of purple, like lavender and dark purple. I just love the design overall. It even has these cute paw prints on the mouse and on the keyboard itself, and that's so cute. At the back, it has a USB nano receiver. Now let's see the keyboard's typing. This keyboard needs batteries to operate, so it needs 2 for the keyboard and it needs 1 for the mouse itself. This keyboard has some special functionalities, like if the battery is low of the laptop, then it shows this red light. If you have caps lock on, then it also shows this red light. And the last one, I didn't really figure it out. To connect the keyboard and the mouse to the laptop, there is this nano clip which you have to connect to your laptop and just turn it on and it's good to go. If you'd like to buy this, then the link will be in the description box down below. Here are some clips of my desk before the makeover. Finally, the desk is all clean, so now we're going to go ahead and clean it with a wet towel. By the way, all the products that I used in this video will be linked down below. I'll try my best to include every single thing. So this is a desk organizer, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean it out, and then I'm just going to do some reorganizing. Overall, both my desk and my organizer had a lot of dust sitting on it because we have some construction work going on, so there's a lot of dust all around, which is why I needed to do this makeover. At this point, I was just playing around with everything around my desk, like I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put this lamp, my keyboard, and everything like that. My lamp later got really dirty, so I had to use a Q-tip to clean the inside. Then put my photo of me and my friends animated. I'm now going to put my laptop on to my desk. Now let's see some fun transitions of my new desk. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Till then, bye!